Hello everyone, good morning guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV guys, and today I'm doing a video of my garden guys. So this, I just pull out my potato, all these potato guys, my first time planting either whole potato or whatever potato, planting potato, and look at the amount I got. So come with me guys. So yes guys, this is another potato plant. So let's pull this one out and see. Oh guys, see, I get potato. This one smaller than the other one. The other one give bigger. Guys, my pumpkin died this year. Alright, this is a pumpkin. Alright guys, let's pull this one out and see what I get. Well, this one don't give a lot. I don't know what happened, but I don't get much from this one. I get like these little fine ones. See? I got these fine potatoes, but the other one give me bigger size. Alright guys, let's do this one. Here little fine one I get from this one guys. But I'm still excited. Excited to the point I fall out of my slippers. All this grass. Alright, let's do this one. See what I get out of this one. Just one little one I get. So this over here didn't give much. Yes guys, I'm weeding up it. So over this side I didn't get much, but that's okay. Now, let me dig up this soil, because I can't, So I get some little ones. Yes guys, there is nothing there. Another little one. Oh, I get a big one guys. I'm saying I didn't get what I get in. Yes guys, you see what I got. I'm digging up the soil. Wow guys, look. What an excitement. Oh my god guys, look. I thought I didn't get potato, but I get potato man. Look. So guys, I'm here saying that I don't get potato, but I get a lot. Look guys, look. Yeah man. That's how potato grow. Let me dig up and see guys. Mercy guys, look. I'm saying I don't get potato, but I get a lot man. What an excitement this morning. Look over here guys. I get a lot. Oh my goodness guys, I get a lot of potato. Oh my god, look at this. What an excitement. So I'm saying I don't get potato guys, but look at this guys. I get a lot of potato. Yes. Now I have my gloves guys. But the soil still going there. Oh my god guys, look at potato. I'm saying I don't get potato. Look there guys. The more I dig up the soil, the more I find potato. Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh my guys, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa guys, look. I got so much potato guys. I'm tired. Hold on, I'll come back.
See, like when you see this ebook.
Yeah.
Your plant is shallow and you continue ebook.
What a No sir, what a excitement guys. What a potato this morning. Can't sell potato. Oh my gosh. Potato there everywhere. And the one I get cut. Let me get out to the hand. Oh, me I kill the pepper tree at the same time. Wow, baby potato. Yes, guys, you see all that excitement, guys. Look at the amount of potato I get from my garden. Guys, my potato was rotten and I just cut them up and plant them. And you see how much potato me get? Guys, I'm so happy today. Look how much potato I get. Potato galore. Potato galore, guys. Potato galore, guys. I get so much potato. Guys, that excitement, I plant potato before, you know. But I didn't know that you have to dig up the ground to find the potato then. So now, see, I dig and I got potato galore. Look at the amount of potato. And guys, look over here. My tomato them. I'm getting tomato galore, guys. Look at my pumpkin. It get cool and my pumpkin die. With all baby pumpkin on it, you know. See, I'm getting over here, tomato over here. And see, tomato start to ripe over here. See, I'm going to put tomato on that tree. This tree has so much tomato on it. Guys, my excitement this morning. So this encouraged me to plant more stuff next year. So guys, I plant onion and this is all I get. These 3 little onion, they don't grow much, but I'm still grateful. I'm grateful even for the small potato. Yes, man. I have enough potato can make soup and make potato salad. Almost half a bag of potato I get. Half bag, almost half a bag of potato. See, guys? Almost. There you go, guys. It's a lot of potato. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. So you see, you can plant your own backyard garden, and you don't have to buy potato. No pesticide, no nothing. One time I put fertilizer on these when they just start grow out, and I put fertilizer again on them. And see the amount of potato I get. So these you would not even say it's because I fertilize them where I get so much, but because, you know, whatever it is, thank God I get potato. And see, guys, right here again, you see my spinach I grow back. I'm gonna leave some to grow back to get seed from it. I'm not gonna cut off all of them. And look at my callaloo. Last week, yes, Sunday I cut my callaloo. Sunday I cut the callaloo, and look how much callaloo. I just came out to water my stuff, you know. And look how much callaloo growing, guys. Plant your own backyard garden. No matter how much land you have, make raised bed and make your plant your callaloo. See over there, my pepper. They don't start beer yet, but you know. Guys, if you see this video, let me know what kind of callaloo this is. This a callaloo that you can eat? I don't know. Someone my brother-in-law give me this callaloo. I cut up a lot to cook, but then I wasn't sure to eat it. I would show it out because we're not sure if it's eatable callaloo. But if you know this callaloo, please put it in the comment section. Tell me if this callaloo can eat. If this is eatable callaloo. And over here, guys, you see my cucumber? Yes, raised bed, guys. I plant them and now they're running. I have to go find something to run them on because they're running across. And behind it, guys, is my string bean. You see all them string bean? Backyard garden. And my pepper them, I don't know if they're gonna come out before winter because they're still growing. This is all stuff that I throw in my compost and use it. This is my I'm not sure this name. I don't even write down the name of the thing there. But it's quite a lot of vegetable, guys. You see, these are the bottom part of the scallion. I cut off the bottom part of the scallion and replant them. And you see they're growing. Yes, guys, my tomato, look over there. Tomato galore in buckets. See? Tomato in buckets. I'm looking tomato. All these tomatoes I plant in buckets. I don't know what's going on with this one. It's like something bite it. I'll take this one off. It looks like something bite it, guys. So guys, I don't only cook simple cooking. I plant my own garden for the summertime. Look at these tomatoes. And guys, I didn't buy no tomato seed. All of these is like when I cook. When I cook, I throw the seed in my compost. So my blue bucket up there, I keep all of my compost with soil and leftover food, and then I use that in the summertime. leftover food and whatever I cook with seed, I throw it in there and they grow. So you see those over there on the left hand side, that's all string bean and they all blossoming. My cucumber running across, I have to go fix that so you know it don't take up over here in my herb garden. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share and take care of yourself. Until next time, I'm glad you were here to take part in the excitement of my potato harvesting. Take care of yourself guys, alright.